guys, getting right into it. I'm starting out with the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette. The shade that I am using is in the top right. I do not know the name of it, but it's that orange color. So I'm just going to apply that to the crease of the eye and blend, blend, blend. Her eye has already been prepped and primed with Urban Decay. And to set that, I use the lightest shade in the palette. Next, I'm going to apply Estee Lauder concealer to apply the shadow on the lid, and I'm using my Real Techniques brush. Before applying the shadow, I'm going to spray my brush with MAC Prep and Prime so that the colors can pop out more on her lid. I use the metallic shades and the Rimmel London Magnify Eyes Spice Edition, transitioning from the lightest to the darkest color to give it a smoky eye effect. Here I'm using my Morphe M508 brush to really pack on that shadow. And then I'm using my Morphe N124 brush to smooth it all out. Underneath the crease, I am using the same colors that I used on the top crease, and I'm using the M Morphe Rush 408 brush and switching back and forth between the M508 brush. We are using our Ardell Wispy Lashes. First, I am, as you always should, measuring them and then applying them.
After the lashes, I applied Makeup Forever Ultra High Definition Foundation in the shade Wi-Fi 35.
We are using Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder to bake, and I'm using the darkest brown in the Rimmel London Magnified Eye Spice Edition palette to contour her nose. For blush, we are using Max Fever. And to highlight, I used a palette that I picked up in the checkout line for Forever 21. So you just want to make sure you blend that in good. And I used my Cosmopolitan brushes that I love so much and I got from Mandy's on sale. And that concludes this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more Look and Learn tutorials.